Airports look easy until one small mistake turns your trip into stress before it even begins. Every day, thousands of beginners make simple airport mistakes that cost time, money, and sometimes even their flight. If you're flying soon, especially for the first time, this video may save your entire travel day. Today, I'll share the most common airport mistakes beginners make and how smart travelers avoid them. Traveling should feel exciting, not confusing, but airports have unwritten rules that nobody explains clearly. After seeing the same problems happen again and again, I put together this guide so your airport experience can be smooth, fast, and stress-free. Let's start with the mistake almost everyone makes first. Mistake number 1, arriving too late. Many beginners think arriving when boarding starts is enough. It isn't. Security lines can be unpredictable. Traffic, baggage check delays, and unexpected gate changes happen constantly. You need a buffer. Experienced travelers arrive 2 hours early for domestic flights and 3 hours early for international flights. Arriving early removes stress and gives you time to solve unexpected problems calmly before you fly. Mistake number 2, packing liquids incorrectly. This is the fastest way to get your bag flagged. Security delays often happen because liquids are buried inside bags. When officers cannot easily find them, your bag gets searched. Keep all liquids inside one small clear pouch placed on top of your carry-on for easy removal. You move faster, and so does everyone behind you. It keeps the whole process moving smoothly. Mistake number 3, wearing complicated clothing. High fashion doesn't always mix well with airport scanners. Belts, heavy boots, large jewelry, and layered outfits slow you down significantly at every security checkpoint. Simple clothing makes airport screening much faster. Slip-on shoes and minimal accessories save surprising amounts of time. Frequent travelers dress for efficiency, not fashion. Comfort is the ultimate travel luxury. Mistake number 4, ignoring boarding groups. The gate area can get very crowded very quickly. Many beginners rush to stand in line as soon as boarding begins, but airlines board by specific group numbers. Standing early only creates stress and crowding. Relax, sit comfortably, and board when your group is called. You'll still reach your seat at the same time, but you'll feel much better when you do. Mistake number 5, not checking gate changes. Don't trust your boarding pass blindly. Gates change more often than people realize. Your boarding pass may show one gate, but airport screens update in real time. Always recheck departure boards every 30 minutes. This simple habit prevents running across terminals at the last minute. Mistake number 6, forgetting an empty water bottle. Airport prices can be shocking. Airport drinks are expensive. Bring an empty reusable bottle and refill it for free after you pass security. You save money and stay hydrated during long flights. It's better for your wallet and the planet. Mistake number 7, overpacking carry-on bags. Sometimes less really is more. Beginners often pack too much just in case. Overfilled bags slow down boarding and create unnecessary stress for you and the crew. Pack only essentials: documents, electronics, medication, and one change of clothes. You'll move much faster. Mistake number 8, not preparing documents early. Don't be the person holding up the line. Searching for passports or boarding passes at the checkpoint causes unnecessary delays and frustration. Before reaching security, have your passport, ID, and boarding pass ready. Professional travelers are prepared before they reach the line. Mistake number 9, exchanging money at the airport. This is a common trap for beginners. Airport exchange counters usually offer poor rates and high hidden fees. You're losing money before you even leave. Instead, withdraw money from an ATM at your destination or use a travel-friendly card. It can save you a lot on every trip. Mistake number 10, not charging devices. Your phone is your lifeline when traveling. A dead phone can create serious problems during delays. Always board with a fully charged phone and a portable power bank. Your phone is your ticket, your map, and your communication tool. Keep it powered up at all times. Experienced travelers follow a few simple habits. They check their flight status the night before to avoid surprises. They download boarding passes and maps offline so they never have to rely on spotty airport Wi-Fi. And most importantly, they stay calm when plans change. Air travel rarely goes perfectly. Flexibility is the real skill. Over time, these habits become second nature. You'll find yourself gliding through terminals while others struggle. Travel is about the journey as much as the destination, and it all starts with how you handle the airport. Focus on the details, stay prepared, and the rest will follow. Airports don't have to be overwhelming. Most stress comes from small mistakes that are easy to avoid once you know what to expect. Arrive early, pack smart, prepare your documents, and stay aware of updates. Do these things and your journey begins smoothly. If you found these tips helpful, subscribe for smarter travel advice and airport hacks. In the next video, I'll share airline secrets most passengers never discover. See you there.